In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and use a drop-down column in Monday.com. To get started, open your Monday.com board where you want to create the new column. Make sure you're on the correct board before making any changes, especially if you manage several boards for different projects or teams. Once you're inside the board, look across the top of your existing columns until you find the plus icon. This is the option you'll use to add a new column to your board. Go ahead and click that plus icon. A menu will appear with different column types that you can add. In the search area, type in Dropdown to quickly find the one you need. This is helpful because Monday.com offers many column options, and searching saves time and helps avoid selecting the wrong one by accident. When you see the drop-down column appear in the results, select it. Monday.com will then add the new column to your board. At this stage, you can begin setting it up so it matches the way you want to organize your information. Add the drop-down options you want to use in this column. For example, these might represent categories, stages, priorities, departments, or any other values that make sense for your workflow. Try to keep the options clear and consistent so it's easier for everyone using the board to understand them. If needed, rename the column to something more specific. This is a useful step because a clear column name makes your board easier to read at a glance. Choose a name that describes exactly what the drop-down values represent, so anyone viewing the board knows what kind of information belongs there. Once the column is ready, start selecting drop-down values for each item in the board. Click into the new column for each row and choose the appropriate value from the list you created. This allows you to tag or classify each item consistently, which can make sorting, filtering, and reviewing your board much easier later on. As a quick tip, take a moment after setup to review your options and item selections for consistency. A well-organized drop-down column can save time and reduce confusion, especially when multiple people are working in the same board. And that's it. You've successfully added a drop-down column in Monday.com, customized the options, and started using it to organize your items more effectively.